The weekly code quiz. What do video file formats consist of? A video container and a video codec. What file formats are needed so that your website works cross-browser? .webm format typically contains a video using a VP8 or VP9 codec with VORBIS or Opus audio. .mp4 format packages the video using an H.264 codec with .aac or .mp3 audio. The .ogg format uses THEORA video with VORBIS audio. Most modern browsers will support .webm and .mp4. .ogg is best supported using the Mozilla Firefox browser or Google Chrome. Why don't browsers support all formats? Why are there so many types of video file formats? Popular formats are often protected by patents. For example, the patent for H.264 will not expire for another 6 years. Browsers may need to pay licensing fees to support some of these formats, so these issues limit the development of a universal format. In addition, browsers for mobile may require newer and different formats and may not support the same format supported on the desktop. Is there an easier way to have videos work cross-browser? This is why many use a third-party service to host their audio and video to deal with the cross-browser issues, rather than host the video or audio content on their site themselves. Examples include YouTube, Wistia, and Vimeo. What element do we use to tell the browser we have more than one video file format? We use the source element instead of the source attribute. For each video file format we provide, we use the source element. Here's an example. We have 3 source elements, each with a different type of video. If the browser is unable to play any of the videos, then it will fall back to the text, which also provides a link where the video is on YouTube. In the past, the fallback mechanism was Flash video, but this method is no longer supported. What attributes work with the source element? The source element works with the source and type attributes. The source attribute will tell the browser the name of the file and where to locate it. The type attribute tells the browser the format of the file. The type attribute is optional, but it is recommended because the browser will automatically skip videos it knows it cannot support. But if it isn't told up front, it has to take the time to play your video to see if it works, and then this wastes loading time. Presented by Designers Learn Code.